Omar Valerio, the community man, and today we're here in Cranston, Rhode Island. I'm talking about 5 beds, 3 full baths, and listen, we even have a crazy fireplace. I can't wait to show you. I'll see you inside. Welcome to 99 Betsy. Come on. What's going on, guys? Omar Valerio, the community man, and like I said, welcome to 99 Betsy. We're here in the living room, first room of the house, and what I love, number 1 is the natural light coming in, and 2, you're gonna see the molding here on the wall that really gives it an eclectic feel. Guys, if you're looking to upgrade your house, this is one thing that you can do to add a nice flair. Second room, it's gonna be a nice intermediate room, okay? Here in this room, they decided to go with a high quality laminate flooring. This is gonna be a great wood alternative, again, if you're trying to get that wood feel in your house and still save a couple bucks. So that's what I like about it. We continue the LTV all throughout into the kitchen, and I mean, come on. What do I have to say here? The kitchen speaks for itself. Look at these really cool funky lights, adding that new flair, again, matching the moldings on the wall. It's kind of like a colonial meets modern, all in one. So that's something that's pretty unique about this. As usual, solid surface countertop, giving it that luxury feel. And we went with the gold, maybe bronze if you're, if you're looking that way, to give it a more elevated feel. Classic subway tile here on the wall and a white infinity look. Guys, I've said it once and I'll say it again. White is always gonna be in. So if you're trying to update your house, DIY, thinking about selling, think about painting your cabinetry white because it's gonna work for 98% of the people. Keep that in mind. Here in the formal living room, and I mean, come on, look at this fireplace. It's the original insert here, but you can see that we really gave it that modern look. And hey, if you don't like it, you can add a mantle, you can do what you want. It's simple enough that you can add something, but if you like it, keep it. What I love are these hardwood floors. And these are things essentially, you can't buy wood floors like this anymore. We added some recessed lighting. There's a ton of room. Imagine watching your favorite football team. You know we're here in New England. Go Patriots, right here on your mantle. That's what I'm calling life. I'll see you guys upstairs. All right, guys. As I'm getting my workout, leg day was yesterday, so I'm feeling it. But what I'm feeling up here is gonna be this bathroom. Standing shower. We went with the black look, black and white. It really marries quite nicely, giving it, again, an elevated look. And it's gonna be a tray tub here. Easy to get in and out whenever you please. There's gonna be a single vanity here. If you wanted to upgrade, you can put a double vanity to add more space and usage here, or you can utilize that empty space there, maybe for a closet space or even a laundry hookup. So there's a couple options here. Now, you have 5 bedrooms in this house. There's 2 here. I'm gonna call this area the homeowner suite. You wanted to add a bathroom here, you could. An office, you could, away from the kids. That's what I'm calling this area, from this wall on. Come on. I'm sorry, did you say something? I was just in the master bathroom there of, like I said, the master suite area. Remember, there's a whole nother bedroom on the other side that you can use like you want. But check this out. It's a pretty dang big closet right here, and we still have a whole nother bedroom. So if you wanted to make that a total vanity, bedroom, Peloton room, you name it, that's waiting for you on the other side. Barn door action really has been in the vogue almost the last couple of years. What did I say, folks? Double vanity. So you're doing your stuff in the morning, there's plenty of space for your partner to do their thing and you not have to worry. That's why I love double vanities. And we continued the gold look throughout the house, and I really like that we did that here. Standing shower, infinity head there. Let's just turn it on. Easy access. If you wanted to, you could also add a couple of recessed lighting in there, maybe some infrared action, and just to complete the look of your unique property. And on a hot day like today, how nice is it to come outside on your deck and just put your feet up and relax? You have the neighbors on the other side, still plenty of space here. You want to do your grilling? You have space for it. I'm gonna be utilizing this space to drink my coffee and just relax. All right, guys, so that's 98 Betsy. If you like what you see, make sure you drop a like. And guess what? We're uploading every week, so make sure you punch that subscribe button in the corner because we're bringing you new content every week that's here for the local market. Omar Valerio, the community man, take care.